Do you want to increase your YouTube video views? Welcome to the world of video content where views matter, especially for content creators. Views translate to reach, influence, and potential income, making them a crucial aspect of your YouTube journey. Today we're going to discuss just that, how to get more eyes on your videos. We'll explore actionable strategies, tips, and tricks that can significantly boost your video views. So, without further ado, stay tuned as we delve into effective strategies to boost your YouTube video views. First off, let's understand the power of SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is a key player in the digital world. It's the process of fine-tuning your content to make it more attractive to search engines. But why is this important? Well, think of the internet as a vast library and search engines as the librarians. When you ask for a book, the librarian doesn't just hand you any old thing off the shelf. They search their catalog looking for the book that best matches your request. That's exactly what search engines do. They sift through countless bits of information to present users with the most relevant results. Now, let's bring this back to YouTube. Imagine you've just made a fantastic video about homemade pizza. You're excited, you upload it, but then crickets. Why? Because without the right SEO, your video is like a book lost in the library. But with the right SEO, your video becomes the go-to guide on homemade pizza, popping up in searches and suggestions. So how do you do this? Keywords. Keywords are the terms or phrases people type into search engines. They're the questions your video answers. A video about homemade pizza might use keywords like home cooking, pizza recipe, or how to make pizza at home. These should be in your video's title, description, and tags. The title is the first thing users and search engines see, so make it count. The description gives more context, helping search engines understand your video's content. And tags, they're like your video's DNA, telling search engines exactly what your video is about. But remember, SEO isn't about stuffing your content with as many keywords as possible. It's about choosing the right ones. Think about what your audience might search for. Use tools like YouTube's Search Suggest or keyword tools to find popular searches related to your content. In conclusion, SEO is a powerful tool in your YouTube toolkit. It can help you reach more people, grow your audience, and ultimately get more views. It's a bit like a secret recipe. Adding just the right ingredients can make your video a hit. So always remember, a well-optimized video is more likely to get views. Quality content is king. No doubt about it. This simple yet profound statement underscores the essence of what makes viewers choose one video over another. It's not just about having a catchy title or a visually appealing thumbnail, though those are important too. At the end of the day, it's the content itself that will either draw viewers in or push them away. Let's delve a little deeper into this. Picture yourself as a viewer. When you click on a video, what do you expect? You're looking for information, entertainment, or maybe both. You want to gain something from the time you're investing in watching that video. Now, if the content fails to deliver on that expectation, you'll likely click away, right? And that's exactly what happens when quality is compromised. On the flip side, when a video is well crafted, informative, and engaging, it naturally attracts more viewers. People appreciate the effort and expertise that goes into creating such content. They're more likely to watch it to the end, share it with others, and even subscribe to the channel for more. That's the power of quality content. But what does quality content really mean? It's content that's original, well-researched, and presented in a clear and engaging manner. It's content that adds value to the viewer's life, whether by teaching them something new, making them laugh, or inspiring them in some way. Creating quality content requires effort and dedication. It's about knowing your audience, understanding what they want, and delivering it in the best way possible. It's about consistently improving and innovating, always striving to offer something better, something more. Remember, every video you create is a reflection of you and your brand, so you want to make sure it's the best it can be. Don't rush the process. Take your time to plan, create, and refine your content. It's better to have fewer, high-quality videos than a bunch of mediocre ones. In conclusion, Quality content is the cornerstone of growing your YouTube views. It's what sets successful YouTubers apart from the rest. So, if you're serious about increasing your video views, start by focusing on creating the best content you can. Never compromise on content quality if you want to see a surge in your video views. Ever considered the power of social media in increasing your YouTube views? If not, it's high time you did. Social media platforms are like bustling digital marketplaces, teeming with potential viewers for your YouTube content. Let's start with the basics. Promoting your YouTube videos on various social media platforms can be a game changer in increasing views. These platforms serve as launch pads, propelling your content towards a wider audience. But remember, it's not just about plastering your content wherever you can. It's about strategic placement. Think of social media platforms as different countries, each with its own culture, language, and audience. And your task is to be that savvy traveler who knows exactly how to blend in. For instance, the visually compelling nature of Instagram might make it a perfect fit for promoting eye-catching, short clips from your video. Twitter, on the other hand, with its quick, punchy dialogue, could be ideal for sharing witty one-liners or thought-provoking quotes from your content. But what about Facebook, you ask? Well, Facebook's diverse user base makes it a melting pot of opportunities. Here, you can share your video in relevant groups on your own page or even as a personal post. The key here is to tap into the platform's networking potential to maximize your video's visibility. Then there's LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, and the list goes on. Each platform has its unique benefits, and understanding these can help you tailor your promotion strategy accordingly. Now, it's crucial to remember that social media isn't just a broadcasting tool. It's a two-way street. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, participate in discussions. This interaction can create a sense of community around your content, encouraging more views and shares. And don't forget about cross-promotion. Collaborate with other content creators. Share their work and invite them to share yours. This can expose your content to a whole new audience, further boosting your views. To sum up, a robust social media strategy can significantly boost your YouTube views. So, put on your Digital Explorer hat and start charting your social media journey today. Engagement is key to increasing your YouTube video views. Let's delve into this a little further. You see, engagement is not just about creating content and throwing it out into the online universe. It's a two-way street. It's about building a community, a relationship with your viewers. So how do you do this? Well, one of the most straightforward ways is to respond to comments on your videos. It's not just about acknowledging the compliments or addressing the criticisms. It's about starting a conversation, showing your viewers that you value their input and their presence. And don't be afraid of criticism. Use it as a tool to improve. Show your audience that you're willing to grow and adapt based on their feedback. This level of interaction not only fosters a sense of community, but also gives your viewers a reason to come back for more. Next, don't shy away from asking for likes and shares. Yes, it might feel a little awkward at first, but remember, your viewers are there because they enjoy your content. A gentle reminder to like and share can go a long way in helping your video reach a wider audience. Plus, it's a simple, free way for your viewers to support your work. But don't just stop at likes and shares. Encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Subscribers are your loyal audience. They are the ones who are most likely to view your new content, share it with their networks, and engage in discussions. And YouTube's algorithm loves channels with high engagement. So the more subscribers, likes, shares, and comments you have, the higher your videos will rank in search results. And finally, remember to be genuine. Authentic engagement is far more valuable than any amount of forced interaction. Be yourself, respect your audience, and the engagement will follow naturally. So take a moment to reflect on your engagement strategy. Are you responding to comments? Are you reminding your viewers to like, share, and subscribe? If not, it's time to start. Engage with your audience, and they will help you grow your views. To conclude, increasing YouTube video views requires a combination of effective strategies. It's not a one-and-done deal, but a continuous effort that involves a blend of different techniques and approaches, each serving a unique purpose in the grand scheme of things. Firstly, we talked about the importance of SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessary tool for making sure your video gets discovered. By using the right keywords, tags, and descriptions, you ensure that your video pops up when people search for related content. Next, we delved into the importance of creating quality content. Remember, content is king. You can do all the SEO you want, but if your content isn't engaging or interesting, viewers won't stick around. So always strive for high-quality, valuable content that your viewers will love. We then discussed leveraging social media. In today's interconnected world, social media platforms can serve as powerful tools to drive traffic to your YouTube videos. By sharing your content on these platforms, you can reach a larger audience and increase your video views. Lastly, we talked about engaging with your audience. Engagement is key to building a loyal viewer base. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. This not only increases views, but also encourages viewer loyalty. Apply these strategies consistently and watch your YouTube video views skyrocket.